Rodrigo Duterte, arrested, flown to The Hague, and now facing crimes against humanity charges. But in the Philippines, his allies are pushing back. The Filipino Senate is launching an investigation questioning whether due process was followed in Duterte's arrest. With the Marcos Duterte alliance shattered, is this a legal reckoning or a political war in Philippines? The Philippine Senate has announced a formal probe into the arrest and extradition of former President Rodrigo Duterte, who was swiftly handed over to the International Criminal Court last week. The investigation was initiated by Senator Imee Marcos, who's a sister of current President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., but also a close friend of Duterte's daughter, Vice President Sara Duterte. Marcos said, and I quote, "As chairperson of the Senate Committee on Foreign Relations, I'm calling for an urgent investigation into the arrest of former President Rodrigo Duterte, an issue that has deeply divided the nation." She added, it is imperative to establish whether due process was followed and to ensure that his legal rights were not just upheld but protected. The Senate hearing is set for Thursday with key police and government officials called to testify. Rodrigo Duterte is the first former Asian head of state to be charged by the ICC. He faces crimes against humanity, including murder, linked to his controversial war on drugs that killed thousands between 2016 and 2022. Duterte was arrested at Manila airport on the 11th of March. Meanwhile, his legal team says the arrest was illegal, claiming Philippine authorities did not show a copy of the ICC warrant. Meanwhile, Vice President Sara Duterte, his daughter and a political rival of current President Marcos Jr., slammed the government for surrendering a Filipino citizen to a foreign court. She said, and I quote, "This is a blatant affront to our sovereignty. This is not justice. This is operation and prosecution." Addressing the nation, Marcos denied her claims, marking another public rift between the two political families. For more details on Rodrigo Duterte's case and the situation in Philippines, stay tuned to the official YouTube channel of the Indian Express.